In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating new views, exploring different types, and positioning them. Additionally, you'll set up your own section plane position and toggle BIM components and drawing dimensions. Ready? Let's dive right in! Let's create a new view frame. You've got three options here. You can go to the View Frame tab and hit Add a View Frame. Alternatively, right-click and choose the top option or use the shortcut Ctrl F3. Views is simple. Just click the Delete key or use the Remove View Frame option. Added view frames, let's talk about changing view types. Head over to the View Frame tab and the Type group. We've got various types like Plan, View from Left, Right, Front or Back, Entrance, Roller Arrangement, Machine Room and 3D View. You can also rotate views using the buttons in the View Direction group. Now, let's refine the intricacies of the entrance details through the associated view frame properties. Utilizing the location property, you gain the ability to specify whether the entrance detail view should depict the front entrance or, if applicable, the rear, left or right entrances. Furthermore, the section plane allows for the rotation of the entrance details either directly or by using the View Direction group. Additionally, the visible distance above or below entrance parameter empowers you to determine the extent to which the shaft and the components above or below the entrance is visible. This level of control ensures a precise representation of the desired elements in your project. With our view frames set, let's position them on the drawing. Use X0 and Y0 in the properties to position them relative to the sheet basis point. Pay attention to the X and Y origin, where you can change the position of the view frame basis point. To match two view frames, check the reference point and enter one of the values from one into the other. Alternatively, select the view frame, click and hold the square symbol in the corners, then move it to the desired location and release the left mouse button to secure the position. Let's talk about setting up our own section plane positions. Ensure the Enable Section Plane operation is set to Yes. Determine the section plane reference point and define the corresponding section plane dimension value. Alright, let's talk about component visibility. To switch components on or off in a selected view frame, head over to the View Frame tab and the Component Visibility group. For example, let's turn off the cabin and the door components. Great job! Similar to this, you can effortlessly switch on or off drawing dimensions. Just head to the Dimensions tab and group and click on the almost identical buttons. Now, if you want to hide individual components and dimensions on a view frame related basis, select them and click on the Delete Selected Objects button. To bring it back, activate it via the breadcrumb or data tree and navigate to the view frame settings in the properties. Set the representation from Delete from Frame to Default by Frame, and voila, it's back! There is a button in the properties which invites you to set the component from active to inactive, but we recommend not to do this, because this is a global change and it deletes the component in the entire model. If you accidentally did this, don't worry, I'll show you how to revert it. Navigate to the data tree and look for the car door under Car in the shaft. The key symbol indicates the inactive status. Right-click on the door, select Add the component to the model, and the shaft door is reactivated. Thanks for watching!